friends to tell the ways to protect the ozone layer.
Recycling. Ensure proper disposal of old appliances and products containing ODS. Recycle and recreate refrigerant from air conditioner and refrigerator.
Reduce use of pesticides. Reduce use of pesticides. Use organic and natural pest control methods. Opt for integrated pest management practices.
Inform others about the importance of ozone layer and the impact of ODS. Participate in organized community initiatives to promote ozone protection. Awareness. Inform others about the importance of ozone layer and the impact of ODS. Participate in organized community initiatives to promote ozone protection.
Use energy efficient appliances and lighting. Reduce energy consumption by turning off lights and electronics when not in use.
Use public transportation to reduce vehicle emissions. Carpool. Use public transportation, walk or use bikes to reduce vehicle emissions. Maintain vehicle to ensure that they run efficiently and emit fewer fluids.
Plant trees and support reforestation. Project S. Trees absorb CO2 and other pollutants. Thank you.
I'd like to invite my friends to recite an English poem on ozone layer.
High above his eagle soared, a veil of bluer earth she, silent, sentinel evermore. In your embrace life is deep, invisible yet strong and wise. You catch the sun fierce rays, a filter for our fragile skies. In your shade we find our days,
But wounds we gave, deep and wide, with careless hands we tore the seam and saw your strength began to slide, a distant fading beam, a distant fading dream. Yet hope was born, a pact was made to heal the scars, restore the grace. Through every effort, every aid, we mend our wounds, we find our place. Ozone layer, fragile friend, ozone layer, fragile friend. With each new dawn, we go to care until the days when you extend whole and strong in every layer. Until the days when you extend whole and strong in every layer. Thank you. Taking these practices and encouraging others to do the same, we can contribute significantly to the protection and the preservation of the ozone layer. Now I would like to invite our worthy principal ma'am to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, children. And teachers.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, do you think that was a good assembly? Yes, ma'am. It was a wonderful assembly. So, let's give them a big round of applause, please. Class 5B and Sangeeta ma'am, thank you so much for spreading the awareness. And though it was celebrated when? Ozone. So that was? Not tomorrow, yesterday, yes. So the day before is yesterday. And we are having this wonderful assembly because it is very important to spread the awareness. They said, why is it important to be aware of something? How does it help us? Because if we are aware of some problem, then what can we do? We can protect that thing. That means we can solve that thing. Yes? If we don't even know there is a problem, then we will not be able to solve the problem. So that is why we are very grateful to 5B for making us aware that we have to protect the ozone layer. Otherwise, the sun's harmful rays will affect the earth. The earth and all the living creatures on it, the animals, the plants, the humans, yes? So thank you so much. I will not take too much of the time. Thank you, ma'am. It is very nice to see the children so confident, and it is important that all of us always participate. So very good, YP. Wonderful job. Thank you.
I'd like to invite all the students on stage whose birthday falls between 16th September to 22nd September.
My name is Fateh Singh. I'm from class 3A and my birthday falls on 16th September.
My name is Shan Sharma. My birthday falls on 22 September.
My name is Samrajpreet Singh and my birthday falls at 23 September.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless you, dear friends. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. May you have many more birthdays. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To stand up for the national anthem, I would like
Stellities. School attention. School stellities. School attention. Now get ready for the national anthem.